Hi there, let's take a look at ICP. To see where the price goes next, we'll cover the weekly Wyckoff structure, map out the short-term trend, so you know exactly how market momentum is shifting right now. From a Wyckoff perspective, ICP is currently in the testing stage of the accumulation cycle, so all these orange tags are accumulation. This is education content only, not financial advice. The next stage we're waiting to show up is sign of strength, meaning price comes back to challenge the 4.35 resistance level and with higher than average volume. So you see, after the automatic rally, this was the point where volume start to stay low, and it is continuously staying very low. Okay, so that's the stage we're looking for. Now, if the immediate resistance of 2.8 doesn't break, or the 2.05 support, the current last line of defense, doesn't break, that range bound between the red and orange remains the base case. Okay? However, I explained in many sessions, this is just the line that's been shown by the October 10th tariff announcement date last year. It doesn't take into account in the past when Bitcoin drops to its bottom, whether ICP follows suit. The only reference we have over here back in 2002 to 2004 accumulation cycle, Bitcoin started rising, but when it slipped a little, ICP actually overreacted back then. So that's one of the scenarios. Sometimes they just don't follow Bitcoin, but this gives us an example that sometimes they may even, drop deeper. People got scared and they escape first. Okay. Now, daily chart, the short-term trend. Currently, the price is still within the smaller or the shorter-term downtrend. Okay, just 4 or 5 days back, it has tested below the 2.05. So that's why I said be cautious. That particular indication may not be the lowest point, because when we get to February, this particular day, even the bulls got in with the commitment. This has shown us it can go as low as $2. This was the first time it tested it. 4 days ago, it's the second time. So hopefully ICP can get outside of this very short-term downtrend, but this is just the smaller scale of things, right? That points to August 15th, if the price continues to trade within this triangle, we get to the 2C's decision point where it is whether it is continuing to follow the trend or it breaks the ceiling of the trend and trade sideways or even go back to challenge the higher resistance levels. But if we zoom out, we can see that ICP's longer-term downtrend, this big blue box over here, hasn't really finished. Okay, all these indicated even if the bulls are able to defend the red line, we may have to get to the end of the year before ICP can get outside of this trend box. Of course, if there are crazy good news, whatever that is, crazy money printing, whatever that's benefiting the crypto market, because suddenly surged by 20%, that may give us a chance, or the bulls a chance, to challenge the ceiling like what it did back in May just this year. But whether or not it can break outside of it, it depends on how good the news is, or how good that news is going to bring long-term liquidity to flood the market. All right. So put into the comment, continue or change, whether you think this downward trend is going to change by the middle of the month, or is it going to continue seeking lower low. You can see this video 2 days earlier being a channel member. See you in the next one. Thank you.